What's up, YouTube? Listen, Phil, I wanted to tap back in, guys. Just getting kind of back settled, from the celebration of life for Grandma Mona. I'm saying she was like the matriarch of the family, and so just trying to get back in town, get settled, get ready for this upcoming week. Make sure we are not only informed but well prepared for this upcoming week. We got some opportunities that I want to make sure we take advantage of, especially around midterm elections, but more importantly, the CPI report that's going to come out on this coming Thursday. Okay, guys, you guys remember, if I can take you back to last Friday, how the market moved off of the non-farms payroll number. You're going to get that same type of action, and I want to make sure that not only are you demonstrating risk management or proper risk management, but I want you guys to take advantage of those huge swings in both directions. Okay, you don't have to play both directions, but at least win in one direction. Okay, so I'll have a hyper focus on our success around how we play and react to CPI this week. Okay, as I'm going through and getting, getting my routine back in, I'm looking at the SPY right now. I'm looking at the market as a whole and just on some levels of support and resistance that I want us to be keenly aware of for this upcoming week. Okay, because guys, one thing I want you to do, and I want you to reflect on this and take notes on this. Okay, have you noticed, at least with me, okay, and there's no secret silver bullet. Okay, there's a bunch of great traders out here. All right, I'm just trying to teach you guys the basics and teach you things that more importantly helps you guys go out and get results in an instance. Okay, and so what I want you guys to kind of pick up on is, at least with me and with the levels that we call out every day on the channel as well as in the Discord, do you see how after they test those levels, they reject off those levels? Okay, so I need you to be locked in on whether or not you're gonna play a move to an upward level we discuss, or if you miss it, I don't want you guys to chase, but I do want you to react off of that level being touched. And then when it gets rejected, I want to see you guys do much, much better playing it down, okay, off the rejection. Okay, and so guys, if you can respect the supply and demand zones or support and resistance levels, it's a high probability trade setup that can make you more money, give you more bang for your buck. Okay, one thing I want us to focus on this week as well, guys, is taking high quality trades. All right, making sure you like the setups within the charts or within your trading strategy. Or if you like me, yes, I use the charts and everything like that, but I'm about price action. Okay, I'm about doing what I'm doing right now, breaking the whole market down. So come 9:30, I'm ready for and ready to react to whatever it does, because I know the levels, both to the upside and downside. But when you're a price action trader, so right now, if the SPY is, let me see, if the SPY is 376 in after hours, yeah, they're going to jerk it around between now and market open. But I'm already thinking of possibly a retest of 377, 378. Okay, now, if for some reason I can't get that, that level has been a level of resistance that it continues to get rejected off of. And so, guys, if I can't catch 376 and make some money to that 377, 378 range, I'm not going to trip about it. I will play the move down when it hits 377 or 378 and it starts to show some strong candles or some selling pressure to the downside. Then, guys, I'm going to again go for my pick six. That's one of my signature moves, and we'll take it all the way to the house, riding it back down to levels of support that it demonstrated on last week, that 372, that 371, even 370 level. But did you guys notice every time it got low down there, they kept buying it back up? It never would just flush through. And that's how they get you guys. Okay, so you have to know, oh, that's a strong level of support when it reaches 369. Okay, it's not going to 368 yet, or 367 yet, or 366. It's coming, but you don't want to be early. You want to react. Okay, and so, guys, again, I'm going to be on you guys heavy in the Discord this week when I give out the morning briefings on just the setups. And of course, I don't want you chasing. So if you miss our upside level, okay, switch your mindset and be ready to play the downside level. Okay, you guys know this by now, man. The proof is in the pudding. These things we talk about every day plays itself out almost to a T. A lot of days to a T. Okay, but if you can capitalize on them, it can do wonders for your profit and loss on the week. And if you start stacking mastery on top of mastery, guys, and start stacking victory on top of victory, minimizing your losses, managing your risk, having your stop losses at a decent level, then guys, before you know it, not only can you recover all losses that you might have accumulated while you were learning, but then guys, you can start reaching for new heights in terms of profitability and what you want to make and how you want to go about your journey. Okay. Also, guys, with that being said, I'm looking at Apple real quick, and you guys know Apple, one of the biggest, is the biggest market cap in the market. Okay. And they fell under 140. So from an investing standpoint, guys, that's in our buy zone. Okay. So at this level, I began to nibble. I never go too heavy at 140, but I'll buy. So if I'm always going to buy 125 shares minimum, I might get 5 to 10 at under 140, if that makes sense for you guys. Okay. But I love the 135, the 130, and especially the 120s. And so I'll scale my position size up at those lower levels. Okay. And then that's just an example. And then when the market turns bullish, or we get one of those bear market rallies or a bounce or a dead cat bounce and the market wants to go back up, guys, I'm riding to previous levels and previous highs that it tested previously on run-ups. Okay. That being at 150 level, 163 level, 172, 175, 182, things like that. Okay. Again, you want to watch it. You don't want to just hold out for the highest level because it might not get there this go round. Okay. But you want to not be greedy and be satisfied with the profit that you make. Okay. So listen, guys, I'm also looking at Tesla, and it broke down. What I tell you guys, when this began to break down from that 230 level, you're going to have support at 220, 218, 215, 210. And then look where we're sitting right here in after hours, 209. Okay. So again, Tesla is slowly making its way to 200, 180, and then 140. Okay. They're not going to let it happen all in one swoop. You got to just trust the process to the downside and take advantage if you want to when it pop back up to the upside. It's just a ebb and flow motion that the market likes to do. Okay. So listen, guys, those are just a little quick recap of not only the SPY, but Tesla, Apple. Okay. But a lot will move this week based on the CPI. Okay. The dollar, the DXY may spike. Okay. And if the DXY goes up, the SPY will come down. All right. Now, the VIX has been something that's been really, really strange, guys. It has not been partaking or not been correlating, if you will, with the market action that's been going on. OK, that's a real strange thing that I'm just keeping my eye on. All right. And I believe this particular week, the VIX will wake back up and participate. And if the VIX spikes, then that will lead to more downward pressure for the S&P 500, okay? Most likely all the indexes, all right? So just be mindful of that. Keep your eye on those indicators, guys. But listen, man, I don't ever get indicator heavy or happy, okay? You don't need all that to be successful, okay? Now, listen, as you go and grow, you can add those things to your learning, to your trading style. But I'm like, guys, just get what you need. I'm going to always just give you what you need to be successful. Okay. You need your 200-day moving average. You need to understand where that is at on the different time frames. Okay. You need to be able to understand where support and resistance is at. You need to be able to understand where supply and demand is at. Little things like that. And if you can just have a consistent setup and structure like that, guys, it can take you far. Then you can get cute. Then you can get fancy with MACD, the RSI, the Fibonacci, retracement levels, and all of this extra stuff that, again, you just convoluting the game when the game ain't that easy. When I come on here every day and show you guys, let's tear the market up, just keeping it simple, playing these levels that we call out every day, that we hit spot on every day, and then we make our money. We get in and get out. We don't overstay our welcome. We manage our risk. We use our stop losses, and we just live to play another play. Not trying to hit a home run every time out, but falling in love with the base hit. And that's really what it's all about, guys. So listen, man, I won't hold you up. Just wanted to tap back in. We're doing a little studying right now. We're doing a little DD just to prepare for this upcoming week. So please get money with us this week. Join us at the Discord, and which is the link for that is in the description below, okay? I won't hold you guys up. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.